Helix isn't your traditional IT company. I always find humor when I'm talking to somebody about what I do, and I tell them I'm a computer nerd, and they always look at me funny like, you don't look like a computer nerd. But that's the way we are. Our customers, they don't have the time and they don't have the expertise to study what they need from an IT standpoint. That's our job. For the last 15 years, we've gone through evolution after evolution of backups, and they're all a pain. Monitoring your backups, making sure they work, getting email notifications, trying to figure out why it didn't work, constantly babysitting backups. What I love about Access Backup is I offload all of that babysitting onto them. That way I don't have to worry about it, and I can focus on making my customers more profitable. Access Backup, without any question, has always met my expectations. They've always provided excellent support. The way that I support my customers, Access Backup supports me. Typically when we onboard a new vendor, or we have a vendor that we sell, we take on all of the tech workload. We do the installation, we do the support, and it takes resources to do all those things. One of the things about Access Backup that is unique in the industry, I feel, is they onboard the client for us. So we tell them who the client is, we give them access to the server, and they take it from there. In a world of email and automated responses, it's really refreshing to have a vendor that when you call them, a human answers, or when you email them, you get a human response. The last thing I want to be is some guy in the cloud who doesn't have a relationship with the person managing the data that's there. I don't know where it is, I don't know what kind of server it's on, I don't have any sort of personal relationship, I can't call somebody and say help. I'm just a number. With Access Backup, when I call, I get a person. I know where my data is. I know that they have their eye on it. I would say that most people plan their backup around losing something from a deleted file or from their server crashing. They don't think about their building being burned down, water, theft, or something where they don't have their data anymore. It's just gone. So what do you do at that point? Well, if your data is off-site, then you have the opportunity to recover from that. What's really cool about Access Backup is your data is not just off-site, but it's regionally off-site. So that means if there's a catastrophe in your local area, your data is still safe. It's not a commodity. Your backup is your life. And if you don't have it, your company is out of business.